This is an image of John Dalton, and John Dalton was an English chemist, physicist, and meteorologist. He lived from 1766 to 1844, and he is the person that developed the modern atomic theory in about 1805. Now, in 1805, he theorized, number one, elements are made of extremely small particles called atoms. Well, here's the thing about a theory. It's held as a true statement until it's proven otherwise. So even today, here we are in the 21st century, this is still applicable. So we'll put a check and give it our seal of approval. Number two, atoms of a given element are identical in their size. They're identical in their mass and other properties. And atoms of different elements differ in size, mass, and other properties. Well, there's a problem here with this one. Over 100 years after Dalton